Okay. Hi everyone. Can you see me and hear me well? Please put a plus on the chat. Thank you. Thank you, dear colleagues, for useful information you've given. It was very interesting to hear you. Okay, now we are going to start. I missed you all, guys. I'm glad to be here with you again, and today I'm going to talk about making phone calls in English. So let me share my presentation. Okay. But first, we are going to play the game as usual. Are you ready to start? Please be active, because after the series of these lessons, the most active person will be given an extra lesson with my personal tuition. It will be absolutely free for you, and you will be able to ask any questions and to get the answers. The name of the winner will be announced at the end of August. So now warm up. The rules of the game are the following. You should write 4 words in one message on the Zoom using Zoom chat. The first word must denote something green. The second word, something that you can see in the park. The third word, something that can fly. And finally, the fourth word must denote a famous holiday. For example, my variants are lime because it's green, bench because it can be seen in the park, balloon can fly, and New Year is a famous holiday. So what about your variants? Please use your chat to write the answers. 4 words in one message. Something green, something you can see in the park, something that can fly, and a famous holiday. Okay. Grass, yes. Tree, okay. What else? You can see in the park, okay. Something that can fly, a bird, and a famous holiday. Easter, yes, of course. So, and the second round. So, you should write the name of a musical instrument, a long word that contains more than 7 letters, your least favorite household duty, and your favorite activity on a rainy day. For example, my answers are violin, it's a musical instrument, information, it contains 11 letters, washing the dishes, I hate doing this, and reading a book. I like sitting at the window on a rainy day and reading a book and drinking some hot chocolate or herbal tea and watching the rain drops knock on my window. Yeah. What about you? So, the name of a musical instrument, a long word, your least favorite household duty, and your favorite activity on a rainy day. 4 words. Please write. Use Zoom chat to type the words, please. Okay. So, musical instrument, piano. Long word, education, okay. Least favorite duty, household duty, clean the floor, okay. Go to the beach, guitar, okay. And encyclopedia, wow. It's a very long word. And your least your favorite activity on a rainy day? On a rainy day, what do you? Football, playing football on a rainy day? Watch a film. Okay. Thank you guys. So, now we are moving to the main part of our lesson. I want you to answer my questions, and the first question is, have you ever made a phone call in English? Give your answers. Have you ever made a phone call in English? While you're writing your answers on the chat, I'll share my life experience. I got my first experience in making international phone calls and talking on the phone with foreigners while working in my first workplace as an assistant manager. It was right after I graduated from the university,